try to put a muzzle on Sparky. Okay?
Hi,
My sister has got it hidden. Sparky, come here. Come here. Come here, Sparky. Come here, Sparky.
Thank you.
Ah, Sparky, here. Otra vez, otra vez. Here we go. He thinks he's getting a snack. Come here, Sparky. Come here. Come here, Sparky. Come here. Come here, Sparky. Here, maybe I should get a biscuit. Do you still have biscuits?
Hi, Sparky.
Wait a minute. Why'd you make the noise?
Hey,
No.
he
Oh.
took the biscuit and left.
That's right.
He took the biscuit.
It's tingling.
Oh, that hurt. Otra vez, but you can't growl at him.
I didn't growl.
Okay, oh man, he knows. We gotta do this before he gets wise to it.
It's too late because he ate his bone.
Come here, Richie. Come here, Sparky.
I did the same thing yesterday too. I was like, Richie, it's Sparky.
Oh, Richie.
Our little noisemakers are all the same.
Come here, Richie.
Come here, Richie.
Come here, Richie.